Hey, it's Jed, and today I want to ask the question, why should the average couple spend time focusing on their relationship? After all, we're all busy, right? And with so much to do, why does taking time to hone in on our marriage really matter? Well, here is what we know. When it comes to marriage, average is simply not good enough. Sadly, in marriage, the odds are not in our favor. We know that the divorce rate is roughly 50%, and out of the unions that last, far too many couples are stuck in a bland limbo. They exist somewhere between saying I do on their wedding day and finding their happily ever after. Others white knuckle it, remaining together by sheer grit alone. These are the couples who fall asleep back to back each night, silently wondering to themselves, when will the pain end? Now obviously in marriage, average is not good enough, and this is why couples need to intentionally take time out to focus on their relationship. Now here's the good news. I believe that couples can bridge the gap between where they are and where they want to go, and more support is available for this than ever before. Thanks to modern technology like fMRI scans, we now know the incredible impact our closest relationship has on the human brain. And the results are astounding. A caring connection to our spouse makes life's bright moments brighter. It keeps us healthier, including reducing the risk of mental illness and heart attacks. And it causes life's difficult moments, both the physically painful and the emotionally painful, to actually hurt less. So here's what I think is really cool. Science has confirmed what fairy tales has told us all along, that married couples truly can be among the happiest people on earth. So how do we fill in this gap between having an average relationship and a high-performing one? How do we get from where we are to where we want to go? Well, in my mind, the missing piece is action. You see, it's one thing to know information about how a relationship works, and it's an entirely another thing to take that information and put it into practice. Now this is why I'm taking this year to help couples hone in on their relationships. And one of the things that I'm excited about doing is helping couples apply the domino effect to their marriage. So you're probably wondering, Jed, what exactly is the domino effect? Well, here's what I mean. In 1983, Lauren Whitehead published an article in the American Journal of Physics entitled Domino Chain Reaction. And here's what Lauren discovered. Each domino in a series can knock down a block that's approximately 1.5 times larger than itself. Now this means that a 2-inch domino can push over a 3-inch domino, which can knock over a 4.5-inch domino. According to Lauren's research, if this pattern continues, domino number 32 will be large enough to topple the tallest of skyscrapers. Now that is some exponential growth. When couples develop their bond daily, small changes add up over time. Like Lauren's chain of dominoes, you and your loved ones can also experience exponential growth. This is why I wrote my new book for couples called Joyfully Married. In this book, there's a short daily reading followed by a daily challenge that consists of one action step. Now, if you and your partner took just one small step to improve your relationship each day for the next 30 days, just imagine how much your relationship would grow. If you'd like to check out my new book, Joyfully Married, you can do so in the comments below, or you can join our group, Joyfully Married, and connect with other couples who are committed to growing their relationship daily. So why should the average couple focus on improving their relationship? Well, the answer to that question is easy. When it comes to relationships, average is broken. But the good news is that you and your loved one can break out of average and become joyfully married. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.